You want to add different images for different chapters in your Scrivener 3 for Windows books. Let's get started. This does require some setup. We're going to only use separate chapter titles for this example, but you can have multiple images applied to different elements using separate lists. Yes, I know that doesn't make sense yet. Hold on. So open up the inspector and click on the Metadata tab and go to the Custom Metadata section. Either click on Set up Custom Metadata or click on the three dots if you already have some metadata set up. Create a list item, and within that list, add the names of the images you want to use. I'd suggest you have the images in your binder for this one. I can't see it working easily otherwise, although there might be a way. Now select all the chapter headings you want to apply the images to. Right-click and select the correct image for each one from the list. OK, next go to your custom compile format and select the heading style you've applied to your chapter headings in the section layouts. Then put this code into the relevant prefix and/or suffix box. You'll need to replace chapter graphic with the list name in your custom metadata if that's not what you've used. Now you'll probably also need to specify height, width and possibly ebook percentage too. So after the first greater than symbol, put a semicolon and add the relevant code. So H equals, or W equals, or ebook equals percentage. Add the amounts and you're done. Let's compile. This could take a lot of playing around with to get all the elements absolutely right in terms of display. It did when I was using it in my books, but it's a much more reliable way of adding images into a paperback because you can be sure they'll all be in the same size and in the same position on the page. And I think it would be very fiddly to do this if you were coding an ebook from scratch. Next time I'll be talking about a solution to that annoying problem I've been having with ebooks in Scrivener 3 for Windows, where the first paragraph doesn't go to the margin.